Hello everybody, this is an opening box video of oppo bdp-105, which I just got from Crutchfield. Again, the reason I got it from Crutchfield is because they always double box their stuff. It's always very well boxed and prepared for shipment. Price is pretty much full boat. There is no discounts on this item unless you buy it you buy it used. So I want to do, this is what you typically get from them. You always get a catalog and a receipt. Take that out. As you can tell, it's well packaged. Let me take the box out here. Okay. Close this up and put this box on top. Okay, I guess I gotta flip it around. There we go. Okay, let me see how that looks then on the video. Bring this up a little bit. There you go. Okay. So here we go. This is how you get the unit. Instructions. As you can tell, oppo box here, an oppo box. You will get remote. Here's the remote control. Okay, I have my camera set for on manual focus, so if I bring it closer I would have to readjust the focus, which I can do. Alright, so this is the remote control. That's how it looks like. Okay. This is the dongle for wireless setup. Right here. Then you get your power cable, heavy duty. You will also get heavy duty HDMI cable. It's actually pretty thick, to my surprise. You will also get the USB extension for your wireless dongle, which you basically plug this into the unit and then you plug the dongle right here. Okay, and you get a set of AA batteries. Okay, right back. Now onto the unit packaging. Get this packaging out. Get the focus right. Okay. Now we can close this box. Okay. Okay. Now, oppo players come in a nice little bag. Okay, let's take this baby out. Out of the player. I mean, out of the box here. Okay. Alright, so here's your player. This is what it looks like. This is the front. And let me make sure this is in focus like it should be. Okay. I'm gonna maybe take the camera off and walk around. But this is the front. Let me lower this. Okay. Alright. So this is the front of it. This is how the front looks like. It's got a sticker on here which you can peel off, and you have to peel off because you will not open the tray. As you can see, we have HDMI in with MHL and also USB in, and a headphone jack. That's the front of it. As you can tell on top, this unit is different. Has a different way of cooling design. Basically, it's got cuts on top, and it's fanless. It has no fan built in. This is the side, left. This is right, and then you have the back, which is the most important part. Okay. Now, let me put this a little bit closer so I can tell you exactly what's in here. Alright, so this is what you have here. From left you have balanced audio outputs, right and left, right here. Here you have unbalanced, and if you can, I don't know if you can tell, but inside there's a whole one board designated just for the high quality analog output for audio. This row of RCA inputs is for your 7.1 analog surround output. This is where you would hook up your preamp if you had one, and you would do the processing of the audio signal inside the player. Sometimes I found that this is the best way to go, and I noticed this is it's a better quality sound versus just going out of HDMI out. That's what I've noticed with my Denon. Bottom left you have Ethernet cable, HDMI in, which is quite nice to have HDMI in. Then you have optical inputs, optical and coaxial. Then you have HDMI out 2 and HDMI 1. I haven't read the manual yet, but as far as I know, you could separate your audio and video signals with HDMI 1 and 2. 2 USBs, one could be used for hard drive, the other one will be used for wireless internet connection. IRN for your remote, RS-232C, which is used for remote control devices like home automated devices, remote control devices, which you can plug in here. Then you have, oh, I'm so sorry, I said it wrong here. These are the outputs right here for your audio, and these will be the inputs. So you have optical, coaxial, and then you have USB input, which is quite a nice addition to this unit. You can play high quality digital digital audio files from your computer. And obviously here you have the AC voltage switch right here, and you have a cable, power cable that goes in here. Nice thing about this, it's a dual voltage system, so if you want to take this unit into Europe, you could do that, and you can switch the voltage. However, as you notice here, this is a BD, A, and DVD1 region player. There is a electronic, a small electronic board you can pick up on eBay for about 60 bucks, which you can then connect inside the player, and that would make the player a multi-region player. And what's nice about it is you can also take it out. So if you need to repair the unit, you can actually go back to its original state and shape, and hopefully they will not recognize that you opened the box. So that's the back of the unit. One more thing I want to tell you about this player is that it could be used as a preamp. So basically you can connect this player directly into the amplifiers with your either RCAs here or here, and you can control the volume of your system with this player. So that's kind of a nice feature, and I'm gonna definitely try it out and see how it works. So that's the opening box of oppo bdp-105. Thank you for watching.